Scorpio, hi, welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At ito ang inyong energy update for December 16 to 31, 2024. If you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video, and comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Okay, so let's see Scorpio. Energy update. December 16 to 31, 2024 for you. Okay, so this is your overall energy, possible challenge, opportunity, and the blessing. Wow. Okay. Generally, Scorpio, magiging masaya ang second half ng December ninyo. Marami kayong gagawin. You're going to be busy. Maaring may mga gatherings with family. Normal naman yan kapag holiday season, no? This is your overall energy, the Ten of Cups. Happiness, fulfillment. Yung iba, wala na kayong mahihiling pang iba. Lalo na kung kompleto yung family, merong mga sineselebrate sa family, like certain achievements sa mga family members. So, if you are, single, maaring yung mga taong, kino-consider mong family, na it doesn't have to be naman na yung by blood, no? Pwedeng mga kaibigan mo, ganyan. You will be spending time with them. You have the 10 of Wands. Maraming gagawin, maraming responsibilities, pero I think worth it yon kasi masarap na meron kang ginagawa para sa pamilya mo and na-appreciate nila yung efforts mo, 'di ba? So, yun yung mas mag-i-inspire sa'yo to do better, to be better. Ayan, your challenge is the 8 of Wands. 8 of Wands is communication, messages. So, maaring merong message na maiirita ka ngayong second half ng December. If it's from social media, let's say for example, you're a content creator or ikaw ay nasa public life, no? Minsan talaga may mga ganon, no? May mga haters. So, iwasan mo na lang. Huwag mo nang pansinin. You know yourself better. Pwede rin kasing magkaroon dito ng yung parang may matuklasan ka nagchichismis sa'yo. Oo. So, pwedeng it may cause some tension with some people. But, it doesn't matter, no? Kung ito naman hindi naman siya significant sa buhay mo. 'Di ba? Lalo na yung mga nagko-comment ng hindi naman nila alam kung ano yung buhay mo. Feeling nila, alam nila. Okay. And then, yung iba naman, this can be yung mga kakailangan mong asikasuhin ngayong second half ng December. Pwedeng hindi mo siya magawa dahil maging busy ka na sa ibang bagay. Oo. Kasi ito na yung time na busy na yung mga tao dahil holiday talaga. Like, sobrang traffic nga kumbaga, simpleng actually, hindi na simple yun yung mga na-experience mo sa pag-travel mo, yung traffic, number 1. Diba? Isa nakakairita na yan. Hindi mo alam kung ano na yung gagawin mo kasi kailangan mo talagang pumunta sa isang lugar na yon. Pero, may traffic. Hindi mo maiiwasan kasi it's holiday season. Minsan nga kahit wala namang holiday, traffic pa rin. Oo. So, anyway, your opportunity is the 2 of Swords. Meron ka major decision na gagawin this week or this second half ng December. I think madidesisyonan mo to ng tama. With the Hierophant, someone is going to help you. Pwedeng may advice ka na makukuha or you will ask for advice from someone na may alam dito sa decision na gagawin mo. And also, pwede rin tong magkakaroon ka ng awakening or clarity sa situation mo, kung ano man tong halangan mong pagdesisyonan. So, tingnan natin for some of you in what area of life Ninth house, okay. So, some of you, this is about your learning. Pwedeng may decision making ka kung mag-aaral ka ba, meron ka bang enroll ka ba sa isang course online, or mag-a-abroad ka ba, magta-travel ka ba. So, your blessing is the Three of Pentacles. Ang blessing na to is about expansion, growth, pagdating sa career, pagdating sa business. So, ito ay lumalago. The Tower, this can be unexpected, no? Yung parang akala mo, hindi ka na bebenta. Oo, tapos yung pala parang bigla kang dudumugin ng mga customers, ganon. Na may mga pagkakataon kasi na parang feeling tayo down kasi kala natin wala nakaka-appreciate sa atin. But actually, kailangan lang nating mag-reach out sa iba, to ask help. Kasi minsan kaya natin humingi ng tulong dahil akala natin kaya na natin. But sabi nga, the more the merrier. Okay? So the more na you go out there, collaborate, work with others, this will bring you expansion, success. And I feel like may breaking free to eh. So I think you're also breaking free from your limitations. Okay, so let's see what else. Ano pa for Scorpio? December 16 to 31. Breathe. Ayan. So, may mga meditation, exercises ka, yoga, that will calm your mind, no? Kapapakalma ng isip mo, magbibigay sa'yo ng peace of mind. You also have loyal heart. So, ito yung mga taong andyan para sa'yo, regardless kung ito ay romantic partner, family. You have the community. Oh, ang ganda. Oh, supportado kayo ng community ninyo. Especially if you are a person like a public figure or you work with a community like sa online, ganyan. Or kung sino man yung nasasakupan ninyo kahit sa isang maliit na company. So, I see you na meron ka ring mga gagawing mga activities like anong tawag dyan? Yung pagtulong sa iba, charitable, outreach programs, ganyan, that will help others. And, may enjoy mo tong activities na to. Sa iyong money, career, finances, marketing, you are good at promotion, so maaring kaya rin may growth for your money, career, or finances is because ine-effortan mo rin na i-market yung products mo, services mo, or yung sarili mo. You are creating your own brand or ina-update mo yung mga accounts mo like sa LinkedIn, yung mga profile mo. And then also shopping. Yung iba sa inyo, magsha-shopping. Magsha-shopping kayo ngayong second half ng December, or yung iba, pwede ang magiging or currently source of income nyo na rin yan, yung online business, okay? Online shop, ganyan. Or yan yung magiging idea nyo ngayon to earn money, to create abundance. Uy, for some of you, merong new love, tapos may separation, no? Okay? So, yung iba sa inyo, maaring, kung matagal na kayong separated sa person ninyo from the past, maaring may darating na bagong person sa buhay ninyo. Oo, yung iba naman, kaya siguro nagkaroon ng separation is because may ibang person na involved. Okay? Oh, love life talaga ang isa rin sa magiging focus ninyo ngayong second half ng December. Family wishes come true. Ayan. So, yeah, kaya siguro ang overall energy niyo is 10 of Cups. Masaya kasi may fulfillment. Meron kayong wish as a family na matutupad. Oo. And then bridge, successfully overcoming a problem. So, maaring may naging pagsubok sa buhay ninyo na parang masasabi nyo na ito ay isang regalo sa inyo dahil na naisalba nyo or nakarecover kayo from that problem. Okay. Homeward, take yourself out on a date. Oh, this is time for yourself, Scorpio. Kasi, 'di ba? hindi lang yung oras para sa ibang tao, sa family, sa trabaho, yung paglalaanan natin ng panahon. Syempre that may oras rin tayo para sa ating sarili. Practice self-love, self-care. Lumabas ka. I-enjoy mo ang company ng sarili mo kasi marami ka madidiscover pa sa sarili mo if you take yourself out on a date. Okay? So that is your reading, Scorpio. Thank you so much. Bye.